Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the Sytaimm massage gun holder. You can get this product on Amazon for about $80. Check out the link in the description. The massage gun holder comes with a user manual and everything you need to assemble it. Assembling the device is pretty easy and only takes a few minutes. The massage gun holder is about 44 inches or 112 centimeters long. The device works with most massage guns and it's very convenient to attach a massage gun. The massage gun holder is easy to use and works great for those hard to reach areas. I tested the device for a few days and I think it's a good quality product. Unfortunately, it's not foldable and takes up a bit of a space, but besides that it's pretty good and works great with my massage gun. So if you are looking for a device which can hold your massage gun so you can reach your back, neck and other hard to reach areas, I would recommend the Sytaimm massage gun holder. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.